New Custom Procedure. To navigate to this page, just hover over Billing, and then come down and select New Custom Procedure here in the second column. That will bring you to this screen. The screen will allow you to create custom procedure codes for items that you sell or provide in your office that will not be billed to the insurance company. For example, vitamin supplements, skincare products, or a service that you provide that is not billed to the insurance company. For the code, this code here can be alphanumeric, and your office can decide on what code they want to use, whichever makes sense for your office. Couple stipulations: the letters portion has to be in uppercase letters, and it does not accept spaces. So let's take, for example, let's say that you provide a vitamin A oil in your office. So we would type vitamin A oil, and since it does not accept spaces, what you can do is put a period there in where you would want that space, so it gives the appearance of a space. Quantity units, you can add that if you'd like to keep a record of how many you have on hand. Description and notes you can add if you'd like. If sales tax is applicable, you'd want to click this button here. Under price, this is the retail amount that you would be selling the product for. So let's just pick one. Price with tax. So tax is applicable in our example here. So let's again just put in a number. And cost. This would be the cost to your office for that particular product. Duration is used for more for procedures or for services more so than products. So for our example, we'll leave this one blank. For type of product, this is a product. So we're going to select that and click on Save. So now we have this nice black box that says Custom Procedure Code Created, so we know that we are successful in creating this. So this is now an option in our system. So if we wanted to see all of the procedure codes, the custom procedure codes that have been created for the office, all you would need to do, again, just hover over Billing and then select Custom Procedures, same column right underneath where we added the new one just a moment ago. Click on Custom Procedures, and then you can see where it was added. If there were more in my particular account here, they would all be listed here. So there's a couple of things that you can do on this screen. If there was a whole list of them, you could search for it here in this box here. You can also export them all if you have a list and you need to do some sort of calculations or whatever you need to do with it. You can export the information to a file. You can also, if something has changed with this, if the cost has changed or if your price has changed, you can go in at any time and edit the information. Just click on Edit. The same familiar box will come up and you can make any changes that you'd like. And just click on Save, and then the change will be reflected automatically. And then if for some reason you no longer provide this service or sell this product, you can click on Archive, and that will get rid of the particular product from your active list. It will ask you if you are sure that you want to archive. You tell it yes. And then it will kind of disappear, but you always have access to them. So they're always there. You can unarchive them if you'd like. That'll put it back in your active history. And there it is again. That concludes New Custom Procedures. Hope that was helpful.